Hello everybody and welcome back to my bathroom. I need to get this more soundproofed and I'm sorry for my voice because I'm currently suffering from allergies. And I'm using this intro to introduce 3 different projects. We'll see when they get accomplished, but my goals, aside from redoing my bathroom, which is going to be a very big project and I have to save up a lot of money for that, I have 3 things I really want to get done. 1, I have a coffee table that its surface is delaminating, so we're going to fix that. And the second project is I want to get back into sewing clothes because I haven't made them in forever. I have some fabric that I really love and a pattern I really love, but the problem with the pattern is it takes a lot of fabric. So we're going to see if maybe we have enough fabric of different types to create like a patchwork deal. That might be fun. I doubt it, but you know, it's an idea. We'll see if I give in and actually just go buy some more fabric. And the third project I have is I want to fix my front door. I have the very standard diamond style mobile home front door. It's boring, it's ugly, and I don't have the money to replace it with something pretty. So with the aid of some paint and some ideas, we'll see if I can actually create kind of a cottagecore sort of looking door to help inspire the savings that's going to need to go into saving up for the siding that will probably need to be done within the next 10 years. And we all know that's going to be massively expensive because life. So yeah, let's start off with something simple that I have almost all the ingredients for, and that will be the coffee table. And yeah, we'll see about that. Off to go fetch the saw and go buzz buzz in my house because I'm stupid. Ugh. Now back inside to find the batteries. Okay, so I'm not keeping my saw outside in the shed anymore until we get the new shed because this current shed is a sieve and it is full of ants, and now I have to disassemble my saw to remove all the ants from it. So after I'm done doing that, then we'll cut the board. Why does it always take so long? It took me that long to do that, and now I gotta go start dinner. Ugh.
that's not what I was expecting. Okay, almost an end stretch of this. I got the lit top glued on last night. With any luck, it will all stick together and life will be well. And I don't have to figure out a new way of keeping it together. But should everything go well, I just have some final details to paint on today and then take it outside and put the final finishing polyurethane coat over the top of it. And y'all can start placing bets now how many bugs get stuck in it while it dries. We'll see how that goes.